Welcome back, guys. So in the world of fashion, African prints have taken over, like literally. We see them everywhere, in bags, accessories, maxi skirts, dresses, and dashikis. Boy, I could go on and on. Head wraps, scarves, you name it,
That's for me,
purses. It will never end. So let's take a look at the work that goes into making these fabrics with the co-owner of the Queen Sisters African Fabric Emporium, Melodine Livingston Cosley. Hi, good morning.
Cosley.
Yes, Miss Cosley, how are you?
I'm fabulous.
You have some beautiful prints in front of
Thank
us.
you.
Some beautiful fabrics.
Thanks.
Tell me, how did you get started in this
All right.
business?
Well, Queen Sisters was conceptualized by my eldest sister. She's actually married to a Nigerian.
okay.
Amazing.
Yes, amazing. So she thought about us sisters doing something that would, connect with our roots and have something to do when we get older. So hence Queen Sisters was born, and she sends the fabrics. I do the marketing and the sales.
Okay.
Well, as my elder sister.
And it was because of her having that Nigerian connection that you
Right.
decided to go this direction.
Right.
Do you source your fabrics from Africa?
She does
Like
some
all over the
Nigerian
continent?
from Nigeria.
Okay.
yes.
Specifically from Nigeria?
Right, and in the
Okay.
States.
Okay. Whoa. All right. So tell us about some of the pieces we have in front of us.
Okay.
Some of the patterns.
So to my
Start
right,
here.
which is your left,
Okay.
that's the shiki. The shiki was actually a tunic that men wore back in the days in Africa. That's the top covering. Of course, it's widespread now. Everybody wears the shiki material.
Everybody have
Right.
one of these
But
of
it was
them.
really a tunic for men,
Okay.
right?
So it's not just for men anymore.
No,
Everybody
no,
have
no.
it.
It's
You
for
have a
us
skirt
ladies
and a
too.
dress.
That is?
And a dress.
And a dress, yes.
Right. And so we have many different colors. And then when Black Panther came out, everybody decided that they wanted to have something with this print on it. So this is the dashiki print. That's
And
what you call it?
Right, the shiki. And it really is an affirmation of our black culture.
So wearing it is just a representative that you're
Right.
proud of.
Being
Your
a black
blackness.
person, right.
That's right.
Each fabric or each type, does it have a different affirmation or representation?
Well,
So like for, as you mentioned with this one.
for kente now,
Okay.
kente is the fabric of royalty.
Oh, my go one piece.
Whoa.
So this fabric originated in Ghana
Oh, yes.
over 300 years ago, and royalty used to wear this fabric,
Oh, amazing.
right? So right now in Africa, Nigeria, persons get married in kente.
Nice.
It is a print to go with.
Is there any specific way that they make this material? Is
It
any
has
different?
a set of designs with a square. Some of them have different colors in them
Okay.
that can be worn.
This looks like a flag. Like every
And then this
color.
one, it's a little bit more poppy.
Right.
It's
Different
bright,
colors,
yeah.
but most of them, as you can see, it has in line.
shapes.
Right.
So that's, and you notice that we have our little Jamaican flag
Yeah,
colors
the
right
green
here
and
in the
gold
middle.
going in the middle.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
And
I love that.
representing
So this is
Africa
royalty.
Yes.
I love it. And then of course we have Ankara.
Yes.
Did I say it properly?
You said it
An-
correctly.
Ankara. I used to say
Ankara.
Ankara.
This one is from Africa as well. The prints are different. In other words, how should I say it now? The Africans come up with different prints.
The shape?
Right,
you
the
mean?
shapes and the
shapes of
colors
things
and
different?
everything.
This is anchor
Here we
as
go.
well?
This is Ankara as well.
But this is a different,
Right.
Print.
different shapes. Yeah,
And
different
so is
prints
this.
altogether.
Right.
So it's the same anchor but it's different print.
The material is Ankara, but different prints.
Okay.
Right.
I like that.
You like that?
Yeah, with the polka dots.
Okay.
So this one is not for royalty.
No. The kente.
The kente.
But you can be royal if you want.
I was just joking.
But
And these are anchor material as well?
Anchor as well. Anchor as
So
well.
what
different
qualifies
prints.
them as anchor material? Because the prints are all different. So what
Well, the
says, okay,
anchor-
this is anchor, this is dashiki, that is get it.
The anchor materials, what they do is put a wax over them. Some of them are lightly waxed. If you feel it,
yeah,
it has
I
a
see a
stiffing.
sheen
Right.
on this one.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, and that would help to kind of differentiate.
Right. The anchor material.
Why or how important it is to ensure that these fabrics stay alive persons, make them, you know, whatever style they want to wear, and just keep them up to date in our fashion industry right now. You know, because it seems persons just using any type of African material and do everything they want to do with it. From the head wrapper like you.
Yeah, I mean, but is there anything wrong with that? To
No.
just use the material and make
You can
whatever
do
you
anything.
want.
This is called bazine.
Bazine.
Right, and it is a cotton material, and it is dyed in a what do you call it? Potato
Well, show them
starch
the
solution.
beauty.
Is this the same thing?
Yes, bazine. It's very expensive, but
It
it's
looks
used.
expensive.
In other words, I have on bazine as well.
All
It's called
right.
the material that swings.
Oh.
It's beaten too to get the sheen. Right,
Wow.
but it's a very
And then
nice.
it's printed as well. There's like a
Right.
sheeny print on it.
Right. So most persons you'll see Africans wearing like the lap-around thing.
Yes.
This is the bazine material with the sheen.
And this is some kind of embroidery.
Right.
Okay, just to give it a little
Nice.
Yes. At the
extra
pop-
flair
right.
and pop.
Okay, this is something that you decided to do as a second job. So
Right.
do you have a set space, or is it that I have to come to you, or do you come to me? How do
How
I get
do
the
I get
material?
all this beautiful material?
You can come to me or I can come to you.
Oh,
Okay.
fantastic.
It's home-based.
Right now, you're having a SALE. Yeah!
Black African Month.
We're having a sale for Black History Month in
Right.
celebration of the month. And tell us a little bit about the pricing on the sale.
Okay, everything here except this one is $1,000 a yard.
Mercy. Please to tell them why this one cannot be $1,000 a yard.
Because
pretty.
this
it
one
no
is
one.
a higher end material. It's a spin-off from Ankara. It's called Velesco.
Velasco.
Right, so it's 100% cotton. All the materials are 100% cotton.
Okay.
But this one is of a higher grade.
Okay.
Okay,
So
hence
how much
why
for the Velesco?
This is 2,000 a yard.
Okay. Well, that's still not bad. I mean,
Right.
come on, it still can do that. So anything here, and you have more than this, right?
man, I have
so
more at
much
home.
more. So anything here is $1,000 a yard. And how do we find you?
Well, you can contact me on Facebook or Instagram.
He's an Instagram girl?
Yes.
Of course, why not?
Shout out.
What's the Instagram handle?
It's Queen Sisters Fabric Emporium and Thriftology. That's
That
another
long-
part of a business that's coming on as well.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Thrifting.
All right, guys.
Stars.
Check her out and check out all of this material. And don't leave it to Black History Month to wear some African fabric and be proud of
Be a
your...
fashionista.
Yeah, wear your
Yeah.
stuff whenever. Do your thing. Feel yourself and encourage other people to feel that part of themselves and the pride that comes with
Always
it.
feel like royalty.
Yeah, I go one piece of the royal club.
Yeah, I think so too.
Owner of the Queen Sisters African Fabric Emporium, Melodine Livingston Kuzley. Thank you so much for stopping
Thank
by.
you, ladies. It was a pleasure.
I want peace. Don't leave here.
Yeah, don't run away yet.
We're gonna go
Not
for a
yet.
little bit of a break, but we'll be right back. So don't go anywhere either.